In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find TD Bank locations near me. If you need to locate a nearby TD Bank branch quickly, the good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a moment. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use TD Bank's website to search for nearby branches based on your area. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official TD website at td.com. Using the official site is the best option because it gives you the most accurate and up-to-date branch information directly from the bank. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look over the main navigation and search for the option that says Find a Store. When you see Find a Store, click on it. This will take you to TD Bank's Store Locator page, which is the tool designed to help you find branches near your location. If you're on a desktop or laptop, this option is usually easy to spot near the top of the page. If you're on a mobile device, the layout may look a little different, but the same option should still be available. After the store locator opens, you'll see a search field where you can enter your location details. In that box, type your zip code, your city, or your state, depending on how broad or specific you want your search to be. A zip code usually gives the most precise results, especially if you want branches that are very close to you. Once you've entered your location, press enter on your keyboard to begin the search. The website will then load the results for your area. At this point, you'll be able to see the nearby TD Bank locations. These results typically help you identify which branches are closest, making it easier to choose the most convenient one for your visit. If you're comparing options, take a moment to review the listed locations carefully so you can pick the branch that works best for you based on distance and convenience. This is especially helpful if you're planning a trip and want to stop at a location that fits into your route. And that's all it takes. Go to the TD website, select the store locator, enter your zip code, city, or state, and view the nearby branch results. It's a quick and straightforward way to find a TD Bank location near you using the official website.